guys, welcome back to
Old and Girls, and today we're going to
we're going to make slime. The last time we made slime didn't really work.
we're deciding to feed it.
Yes, all you need
Is
is
sugar.
a bottle drop of sugar, and sugar, toothpaste, glue, a bowl and something to mix it with. Oh yeah. So what do you reuse for? So what we're going to use for? So first we're going to add a wee drop of glue. I don't want to make too much because I don't actually know if it works. No.
Aye,
No,
that's what you're meant to do. Are you taking
No, because I was using it yesterday and it's just this whole thing is stuck. It's stuck. Oh, sorry guys, there's...
I thought this. You add the sugar, then I'll mix faster than you.
So we're only going to try a little bit, so we only added a little bit of it. Oh, wait, I'll get it. Okay. So we've added that and now I'm going to add the sugar. How much do we need to add? Because I don't want it
Just to like
all of it. Because we need to, because it's only a wee bit here.
That's not. Wait, am I mixing first?
So then a wee drop of sugar.
You have to mix this stuff for ages, by the way.
We need to mix it for ages.
Oh, that's it. Doesn't
Just get a little drop.
Oh, that smells so good. Oh, this smell toothpaste.
Especially that one.
Yeah.
That's toothpaste we've used.
I think the nip is toothpaste, so it's space, but I really like
Just toothpaste.
mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll try. Oh, goodness. It does look... like...
No, it did actually. Oh, that was like a sheep in a face. No, but it did actually work for this guy, and he was mixing it for ages.
So guys, we're mixing it and mixing it.
We've been doing videos all day, and I'm so tired.
Videos are hard work.
Exactly.
I've not actually done a video in ages.
Mm.
So we would like to get a lot done tonight. Wait, do you know we have like over 42 videos now?
Do we?
I think that's more than your channel.
Obviously, because I stopped doing mine really quick. Because I really couldn't be bothered with it. And then when me and you decided that we wanted it, we were like, yeah, let's do it.
Well, it's good that people actually watch the Misty channel.
People did watch me, you know. I've got 1,011 views. But it's because we started a lot longer, but I'll try again.
Do you think we should add a bit more glue?
Alright.
Guys, we're just going to add a bit more glue to theirs.
Or sugar. I think it's the glue that makes it like that, Ken.
Ah, because glue is like...
What about a wee bit more?
sugar.
Right.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste and sugar. Just a wee tad of sugar.
Right.
But
Because we've only added a wee drop of everything and some more. Hopefully this works, guys, because we really want slime. And you can add some food colouring if you want, but no.
because then we can find the worst.
Let's touch it. Touch it with me?
Do you want to touch it?
We both need to. No,
I'm not touching it. You can touch it if you want.
Come on, because we need to see if it tastes like...
I hate you.
Oh, sorry guys, that was just that was just a little message.
That sounds like slime. And maybe we can mix it and add in like more toothpaste.
I think it's the toothpaste that makes it go. Right. It's so good.
Saying it's a toothpaste that makes it look.
Oh yeah, because look, it's starting to get more like fluffier and it's starting
Oh
to...
yeah. No, I actually think this guy added loads of toothpaste and has this slime that like you could push it through your hands so it's sticking in.
I love that kind of slime. Because we're only making a little bit, but we'll make a lot more if this works. Because then we don't want to waste a lot of good things.
Exactly,
That we can,
things.
yeah, we can use for a lot of
I'll
different
tickle
things.
myself this. Yeah.
You're really weird.
Oh.
Add a bit more toothpaste.
Right.
You're still going. Okay, I think that's enough. We may be needing to do this for hours. So I'm actually
Remember
gonna...
that for doing it on.
Eat it or wear it thing, right? Got failed.
Oh my god, I hated that video so much. It was really fun, but it wasn't like...
Never do eat it or wear it with baby food. Baby food never comes out your hair.
Exactly. There was clumps still in my hair when I washed it. I was like...
Right, guys, we'll come back after we've mixed it, because I just... Okay, guys, so we've mixed it enough.
For ages and ages.
Well enough.
But it's still not ready, so...
And my camera's gonna run out, so I'm gonna have to end this video here.
So guys, sorry that we didn't get it long enough for you to actually see it like this time. But we'll do another video now.
No, we need to do it. Guys, I'm just gonna put my thing on charge.
See, I was gonna tell you, and I'm actually looking.
It's charging, and now we can...
Oh my god, guys.
Sorry.
Guys,
Sorry
I'm so
about
sorry,
that, guys. Yeah, sorry
This is
about
like the
that,
worst
guys.
video we've ever done.
It keeps falling. Keeps falling.
Fall from...
Awesome.
What the hell was that? Look at me, Mom.
Look at me, Mom. Falling in the air.
Falling in the air.
That's just disgusting because you're putting your germs on it while you flicked it and put it in again. So guys,
It tastes so good. Oh no, my ankles. My ankles are falling back. Alright.
So guys, look, it's like, I think maybe that's like enough mixing.
No, Kira, that's no slime. I'm not touching that. You can touch it, but I'm not touching it. Can I show mix it?
Wait, I'm going to put it into separate cups. Can you please get me 2 cups at my bag? So guys, then we actually have our own, so I'll be back when I do that. Guys, this is going to take forever.
Oh. I had to mix it with home.
I don't know. We can't use all this like you should. You're using so much. Because this is not
But
mine.
you emptied in half the sugar. And it yours.
Nah, because there was like a tiny bit left, so I poured it in. This is not mine, you know.
Then whose is this? I thought it was yours.
No.
Anything that's mixing.
I don't think they both need it more mixing. I think we should try it.
Can I mix mine?
No, I think we should try it.
No, I've not mixed in my toothpaste. But you can try yours, but I'm not trying mine.
We both have to, okay? We both have to. Okay, sure. So guys, we're both of that. We are both going to try.